Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a very simple cut crease look using very affordable products. Okay, so that's the dual lash glue. You'll be surprised what I'm going to use it for in this video. I don't really spend a lot on eyeshadow palettes because they're just colors, so I don't really spend much. This is just some random palette I got from market we see here in Nigeria. An FBC palette. I also got that from a brand, I think makeup fair in Abuja. I'm just showing you the shades of colors I used. I just used really brown and soft colors, and then I used really not too gold kinda, and then I used the copper shade. That's what I used for the most of the cut crease. And now I surprisingly learned that you can use lash glue to make your eyebrows stay in place. Sorry, so that's what I did. So this is the cut crease, very simple. I used my concealer to create the cut crease. Now I have foundation on my face. I'm using the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in coconut, warm coconut, and so that's what I used. And then I went on to fix my lashes. Here I am smiling. And then I just went on to contour my face. I like to contour the side of my lips. It makes your lipstick or gloss seamless. And I also like to bake my nose most of the time. And I'm just using the XOXO palette from Zara Cosmetics to set my contour. And this is the finished look. I used Davy's brow pencil to outline my lips and just used a clear gloss, Davy's pencil number 3, and then I just put in the highlights from Debby Luster. Yeah, I'm liking what I see. It's really nice, simple cut crease, nothing too extravagant. Yeah, and then I used some of the color on my bottom lashes. The color I used to my bottom lashes. Well, this is just it. This isn't really like a tutorial. This is just me showing you what I did today. Bye guys, thank you for watching.